Confused with concepts? Tired of boring explanations? Don't worry. Concept Cracker is here to help you. Welcome to Concept Cracker, where learning is fun and easy. Stay till the end because the way you learn is about to change. Hello, dear children. Today we are going to learn
3, 2, 1.
the noun and kinds of noun. There are different kinds of noun. Examples: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, collective noun, singular noun, plural noun. Now let us learn one by one. First, let us understand what is noun. Noun is the word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Now read this sentence. Ashoka was a wise king. In this, which are nouns? Yes, you are correct. Ashoka and king both are nouns. But they are different kind of nouns. Ashoka here is a proper noun. On the other hand, king is a common noun. We can't call everyone as Ashoka. On the other hand, we can call all the kings as king. It means Ashoka is a proper noun. On the other hand, king is a common noun. Now let us see the definition of common noun. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Example: girl, boy, city, country. Now let us see the definition of proper noun. Proper noun is a name of some particular person or place. Proper means one's own. Tips: written with capital letters. Proper nouns are sometimes used as common nouns. He was the Lookman of his age. Here, Lookman is the name of a person. On the other hand, to identify as a wise man, this word is used. The second one, Kalidasa is often called as Shakespeare of India. Here also, Shakespeare, as you know, he is a famous dramatist in English. On the other hand, here it was mentioned as to depict the famous person. The next one is abstract noun. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs, as quality: goodness, kindness, darkness; action: laughter, theft, movement; state: childhood, boyhood, youth. These all things we can't see, but we can experience, right? The word abstract means drawn off, means we can't see. The next one is concrete noun. It is opposite to abstract noun. Something that you can perceive with your 5 sense organs, which you can touch, see, or feel, are called concrete nouns. Example: apple, lion, eyes, flower, etc. The next one is compound noun. Compound noun is made up of 2 or more smaller words. For example, text, book; snow, ball; sea, food; sun, flower. It is like collocations. Next, let us see countable nouns. Countable nouns are names of objects or people that we can count by number, like 1, 2, 3. For example, book, pen, boy, sister. On the other hand, the next type, that is uncountable noun, is a noun that we cannot count. Uncountable nouns are the name of things which we cannot count by numbers. For example, milk, oil, sugar, gold. This we can't count as 1, 2, 3. On the other hand, we will measure it. Countable will have plural forms, while uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. The next important type of noun is collective nouns. Collective nouns is the name of a number or collection of people or thing taken together and spoken of as one whole: crowd, mob, team, herd, army, fleet, jury, etc. Next kind is singular noun. Singular noun refers to one person, thing, or idea. Example: cat, dog, sheep, monkey, hero, etc. Last one, plural noun. Plural noun refers to more than one person, place, things, or ideas. Dogs, cats, ships, babies, etc. Now, let me check whether you understood the concepts. Identify the kind of noun in the sentence. The crowd cheered loudly during the match. Answer is crowd. It is collective noun. Next question. Identify the kind of noun. She gave me a box of chocolates on my birthday. Answer: chocolates. It's common noun. Third question. The Ganga is considered a holy river in India. Answer: Ganga, proper noun. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty, abstract noun. I believe that you understood the concepts clearly. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos on time. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in next video.